Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Friday the 27th of July. And today the market's gapped up pretty decently and then just continued that ascent for the remainder of the day. And we grabbed our first long over here and we were able to ride that up a little bit, taking our last bit of profit up here, and then we went long down here and rode that up into this area here, and then the markets just continued higher. We had two trades on the day, both successful. The maximum profit potential that we were working inside was 10.25 points or 41 ticks. Our actual entries and exits, we made 11.25 points or 45 ticks. Definitely that put us back in the game from the dismal beginning to the week that we had, which is pretty cool. If you'd like to check out our website, I encourage you to at www.businesswithtrading.com. You know, every day we do focus on the S&P 500 futures market. It's my favorite to trade, and it's definitely a lot of fun. And you can see this with this week. You know, it was definitely a convoluted week as far as, you know, my perspective is concerned. And you know, sometimes the weeks are going to work out like this. You're going to lose money, and then you're going to make your week. Some weeks you're going to end down. At least for me anyway. Not every week is going to be positive, but you want the majority of them to be. And you know, that's really the goal. But with no trades done on Monday, it was definitely ended up being an interesting week. With that, on the right hand side of the website, I do have a getting started page, a lot of good information there. All of my daily recaps are going to be on the left under the daily updates or daily recaps, whatever it's called. I don't recall at the moment. And you know, a lot of good information there, so I encourage you to check it out. I also have a contact form on the website. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, anything like that, you know, don't hesitate to get in touch with me. With that, let's check out the news for next week. Okay, and the news begins, actually we don't have any news at all on Monday. On Tuesday, we're going to begin our news at 8:30 in the morning with core PCE price index looking for 0.2%, prior reading 0.1. We have employment cost index looking for 0.6%, prior readings 0.4. Personal spending looking for 0.1%, prior reading was flat. Personal income at 0.5%, prior reading was 0.2. Then at 9 o'clock, the S&P Case-Shiller Composite 20 HPI looking for -1.5, prior reading was -1.9. Chicago PMI at 9:45 looking for 52.6, 52.9 was the prior reading. 10 o'clock, consumer confidence looking for 61.5, prior reading was 62. And 3 p.m. Geithner's going to speak. So that makes Tuesday very, very big. Should be a fun day. Wednesday, looking at 8:15, ADP non-farm employment change looking for 122 versus 176. 9 o'clock, final manufacturing PMI looking for 51.9, prior was 51.8. 10 o'clock, ISM manufacturing PMI looking for 50.4, 49.7 was prior. Construction spending looking for 0.5%, prior reading was 0.9. ISM manufacturing prices looking for 38.6 versus 37. Crude oil inventories, prior reading was 2.7 million. All day total vehicle sales could come out any day, any time this day. Looking for 14 million, prior reading was 14.1. At 2:15, we're going to have the FOMC statement. This is Wednesday again. 2:15 also federal funds rate. So that's, everyone's going to be paying attention to that. So should be interesting. Thursday, 7:30 a.m. Challenger job cuts. Looking, prior reading was negative 9.4. 8:30 unemployment claims, looking for 375 versus 353. 10 o'clock factory orders, looking for 0.4%. Prior reading was 0.7. 10:30 natural gas storage. Prior reading was 26 billion. And then Friday at 8:30, non-farm employment, looking for 101 versus 80. Unemployment rate, 8.2% is what they're looking at, same as the prior reading. Average hourly earnings, looking for 0.2% versus 0.3. And then at 10 o'clock on Friday, ISM non-manufacturing PMI, looking for 52.2 versus 52.1. So next week's going to be very, very interesting. FOMC Wednesday, so we do want to be aware of that, and should be a lot of fun. So everybody have an awesome weekend, make the best of it, and I'll see you back here on Monday. Thank you.